So is it really possible to make over $1,000 from one single click on your affiliate link? The answer is yes. And in this video, I'm going to show you 8 different high-ticket affiliate marketing programs where you can make $1,000 or even up to $33,000 from a single click. Stay tuned. I'm going to be walking you through each of these programs right here on my computer, and I'll describe exactly how I made $33,000 from a single click a few years ago. High-ticket affiliate programs. The acronym people use is HTAP, okay? These are absolutely amazing gems that most people don't know about. This is a little hidden subset of affiliate marketing because really only people in the know or advanced affiliates ever get the chance or the opportunity to even find out about and promote high-ticket affiliate programs, but they make so much money. And if you can promote high-ticket affiliate programs, you make it much easier for yourself to make money. You can make everything you need for an entire month from just one sale. And if you're doing that week over week or day over day, you're stacking up lots of cash for yourself. I've been promoting high-ticket affiliate programs since 2012. And that's actually how I got my start in the niche that I will show you right here, where I zoomed up and I started making, in my second month, I was making $50,000 per month promoting high-ticket affiliate programs. And I'm gonna list a few of them out right here. So let's go to my computer and check out some of these high-ticket affiliate programs. Now, the first 2 high-ticket affiliate programs I'm going to show you are recurring programs. You won't necessarily make all of that money right up at once, but you can make thousands and thousands of dollars over time. These are programs that pay monthly, and if you promote a recurring commission program, you can make thousands of dollars from a single customer if they stay subscribed. So the first one is actually on ClickBank, which is my preferred affiliate network. You go to clickbank.com, and if you just do a search in the marketplace, you can scroll down, and on the first page, you'll see Organifi, okay? So you'll see that right here. Organifi is green juice. They have a couple different juices, and they pay monthly. They pay a commission monthly, so you'll get about $76 per month if somebody signs up for Organifi or for their products. Now, what's great about that is over time, if somebody stays subscribed, I've been using Organifi for over a year, maybe almost 2 years now. It's great. It's actually a really great product. It keeps me healthy, even though I do love fast food too. So I don't know if that makes sense, but Organifi is great. And you can, over time, that $76 a month can turn into thousands of dollars from a single customer, from a single click. So that's a pretty cool program, very easily accessible. Anybody can sign up for ClickBank. They've made, over $30 million. So you figure about half of that was paid out to affiliates. So affiliates have made over 10 or over $15 million helping sell Organifi products. So I've interviewed their owner, not going to go into that. Really great guy, really support the company, okay? The next affiliate program I'm going to show you is ClickFunnels, and this is the second one of the recurring commission programs. Now, ClickFunnels will pay you anywhere from $50 to $150 per month if somebody uses ClickFunnels. Now, I'm currently an affiliate of ClickFunnels because I'm, once again, a big supporter of the company and what they do. I really believe in the software they've built because I use it in my business, and I recommend anybody who's getting into affiliate marketing use it in theirs. So, testimonial aside, I do make money from referring people into ClickBank. But again, I love the program. I make $11,000 per month, as you can see, as an affiliate there. And there are lots of tools you can use to promote ClickFunnels. What I really like, they have support. So they have an affiliate manager that will help you promote the program. They have a Facebook group for their affiliates. They have a boot camp. They have free training. They have a lot of resources to help you out. And if you look, these are all individual affiliate links. This is the 10X Secrets book. You can give people away a 30-day summit. You can give people a 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels. You can give people another ebook. There's so many different ways you can promote this program. It's unbelievable. I haven't really tapped into the other ways to promote ClickFunnels. I just recommend people get the software. But again, this is a great affiliate program. There's a lot of support. And what's even cooler is if you get enough subscribers, they will give you a free car. So they'll actually pay for your car up to $1,000 per month if you get enough people signed up to ClickFunnels. So that's really cool, you know, an extra $1,000 a month just to promote a program. I like affiliate programs that really respect their affiliates, because I think your job as an affiliate marketer is very hard. It's very difficult. It's very lonely, and you don't get a lot of recognition for those wins. So getting a free car is just like, yes, I did it, okay? Now let's move on to the exciting stuff, right? Because I showed you some affiliate programs. You can make $75 a month, $150 a month. Yes, that adds up. I know what you want. You want $2,000 in a day. You want $2,000 from a single click, okay? And the first program I'm gonna go over that will just lump sum you $2,000 from a single click is actually a pretty well-known company. It's Shopify. Okay, so you get people signing up to set up a Shopify store. You can make a lot of money, $2,000 in a single click. Now, here we are on Shopify's site for their affiliate program, and what we see is, you know, you can use your voice to inspire entrepreneurship within the Shopify affiliate program. Now, there's some people like me who are also teachers out there who are teaching people about how to start a business, drop shipping. I don't necessarily believe in drop shipping because, I mean, not just for political reasons, but all the laws with China and regulations and scandals that have happened in drop shipping, I don't think it makes it sustainable. But that being said, if that's what you do, there are a lot of people making money doing it, you can promote this program. And you can make up to $2,000 for each referral, okay? So $2,000 for a single referral. They have a lot of support. They have a lot of content they can help you out with. And there have been a lot of affiliates who have made a lot of money. So to promote this sort of program, there's a lot of ways you can do it. You know, one way is obviously teaching people about drop shipping, but let's get into some of these other programs which are a little bit more enticing. Now, the next 4 programs here are all in the entrepreneurship niche. It's helping people become entrepreneurs, or also known as the business opportunity niche, where you can make up to $2,500 from a single commission. You can make $5,000 from a single commission, $1,750 from a single commission, and $8,000 from a single commission. Now, this is a lot of money, people. It's a lot of money. And to get this amount of money from a single click in a business to consumer industry is awesome, okay? Now, I've been a big promoter of different business opportunity programs. I've made a lot of money promoting them, and you can too. These programs, not a lot of people know about, but again, get into these opportunities. Get into these opportunities, because just one commission, for instance, one $8,000 commission can change your entire month around, okay? And finding ways to promote these products is not very hard. You can promote it to a lot of people. The first high-ticket affiliate program I'm going to talk about within the business opportunity niche, it's abbreviated SFM, or Six Figure Mentors. Now, I'll be putting links to all of these programs in a pinned comment in the comments section. So make sure to check the comments for a pinned comment from me. If you don't see it from me, just ask for the links and I'll make sure to post them. But this is a great program. It's been around for years. It's been very stable, and you can make a lot of money with it. $2,500 single commission. Pretty cool. Next program, let's talk about $5,000. Well, actually, let's go to $1,750 next. So this is a program that sells stock trading tips, okay? And the site is called Capitalist Exploits, okay? And I'll be going over all of these sites on my computer in just a second. The site where you can get $5,000, or the affiliate program where you can get $5,000 from a single commission, is one that I've promoted and I've made a lot of money with, and I suggest is AWOL Academy, okay? It's known as AWOL. Great affiliate program. Now, the next affiliate program I'm going to show you is one that I like promoting a lot, and I highly recommend you get into if you have the opportunity, and that's called Entrepreneurs Institute, okay? $8,000 is the most you can make from a single commission, a single click, a single lead. You can make this sort of money. It's absolutely unbelievable and can totally change your life around. Now I'm going to show you these 4 programs on my computer first, and then we'll get to the big kahuna, which is in a totally separate niche and requires a little more explanation of how it works. So the first program is called 6-Figure Mentors, and there should be a link in the description of how you can create your free account, okay? Now, you get access to the members area, you get access to promote their product as an affiliate. They also have some free trainings to teach you how to do affiliate marketing for them within their affiliate login or their affiliate portal or center. I put in a link so you can join this program free. The second program is called Capitalist Exploits, okay? Capitalist Exploits. And you see right here. And you can help investors put their money behind huge opportunities. So what you're doing is, you know, this program sells information to help people invest their money better, okay? They have people in over 47 countries, so that's pretty cool. So this is something you can promote around the world, which is really exciting. They pay 50% commission on all products. It's a digital product. Their products start at $1,500, which means the minimum commission you would make is $750. And they give you a bunch of information, you know, who you should be targeting, and you know, you can earn up to $1,750 a sale. And to apply for their affiliate program, you would just fill out that application link right there, okay? Oh, look at this. I'm gobsmacked, dude. It's rare that you find a good offer, good product, and a good commission. We'll get my mates onto it, thanks. So really cool. Okay, now the next program, you can earn up to $5,000 from a single sale on. Sick money, okay? $5,000. If you get really targeted, you could do that with one click, okay? One click, one customer can turn into $5,000 commission for you. That's really cool. As I said, high ticket commission programs changed my life. AWOL Academy has been very good to me. They've paid me out a lot of money. I was one of their top affiliates for a period of time, but I'll show you the new program that I'm with right now. But I just figured I'd give you options in terms of what to promote. So here's AWOL Academy. I put a link down. They have a webinar and they have a whole teaching and training thing they go through to teach you how to do this. So the link there, it'll go to a webinar and you can sign up to learn how to be a part of their affiliate program there. Now the next affiliate program is Entree Institute, and this one will pay you up to $8,000 in commissions per sale, okay? So you can make an absolute buttload of cash from promoting Entree Institute. And if you want to sign up to learn more about how to be an affiliate and how to work with Entree Institute to make sick amounts of money, I actually provided you a link below where you can learn more. We have a special offer because they're growing their company. They're looking for more people to train how to be entrepreneurs and affiliates for it. You know, this is the program I would recommend you sign up for. So there's a form here, fill that out and get yourself signed up. Make up to $8,000 commission. Enough said. Not going to go deeper into it. That's a lot of money. So check it out. There's a link in the comments, okay? This would be my suggested high-ticket affiliate program if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing. I want to make that clear. I haven't really talked about this much up until now on my YouTube channel, but I make a lot of money from this company, and you can too, so check it out. $33,000 from a single commission. $33,000 from a single click. $33,000 from a single click. Now, that's this last affiliate program, and the niche that this affiliate program is in is the investment niche. And the program I'm going to expose you to is called Click Again. Okay? This is an affiliate network for investment companies. First, let me explain why this isn't my #1 recommended affiliate program. Promoting investment offers is very difficult. The way this program works is they pay out 3% commission on all investments. 3%. Now that may seem like a very small commission rate, but the average deal size with people who invest in the companies within Click Again is $80,000. Okay. The average customer is 72 years old. We're not talking average people investing. We're talking people who are retired that are moving around the money in their 401k or IRA accounts. These are people shifting part of their wealth into, usually it's gold or other precious metal investments, to safeguard their cash and get it out of stocks. Okay, get it out of the stock market into something physical. Now, 3% commission is low, but again, judging by the fact that the average deal is $80,000, that means the average commission in this program is a fat $2,500, okay? Now that being said, when I started promoting this program, I was an affiliate. This is where I first started affiliate marketing back in 2012. I was advertising on very niche keywords, and one day I got a sale for $1.1 million. $1.1 million. And of that, what I got, my share was $33,000. Again, 3% commission of $1.1 million. That's $33,000. That's huge. It's crazy to think that I could make that much money from one single click, but it's possible. But the reason I don't recommend it is because unless you are an advanced marketer, there's very little traffic in this industry. And unless you're a very advanced marketer and you're willing to wait a while and spend a lot of time doing this, it's going to be very hard to tap into the money here. It's a very small market again, but that's fine. I'm going to show you this program right here. So here I am on my computer, my money machine, and what you see is the site is called Click Again. This is what the site looks like, and you can become a Click Again brand partner. You know, that's what they call it, brand partner, but it means an affiliate marketer, and you can apply. But what you see here is they've paid out over $7 million in commissions to affiliates. Affiliates have referred over $100 million worth of business to these gold investment companies. And you see, this is actually my mentor right here. He referred over $100,000 of sales in a single month. And there have been a number of affiliates earning well over $40,000 a month, $90,000 a month, etc. So the market's there. Obviously, people are being paid a ton of commissions. And this is a pretty exciting program. They explain the structure of the program here. You know, 3% of sales. You also get verified leads and whatnot. But it's pretty nuts. The money is out there. And if you tap into high ticket commission programs, you tap into vast sources of wealth. When you start earning commissions that are $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $8,000. Going back to programs on ClickBank that pay $20 commission seems like a joke. Seems like a total joke when you can get $5,000 or $8,000 from a single sale. $33,000 from a single click. Now, if you enjoyed this training on high ticket affiliate programs, and if you'd like me to actually talk more about ways to promote high ticket affiliate programs, let me know in the comments. Just say, show me more in the comments if this is a subject that's very interesting to you, or if you have any questions about anything specific I went over in this video, let me know in the comments below and I'll try to answer everything I can. Also, like this video if you got some value from it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to continue learning more about affiliate marketing and making money online and just living the dream. So let's get it.